Hi guys, today we are going to see how to use this template for your portfolio. So firstly what you need to do is go to Magic UI, go to portfolio. You can just preview it just like this and you can download it from here. It's free to use, so you can download it and save it. After saving it, this should give you a zip file. You can extract it. After extracting, open this into your code editor. Firstly, you need to install dependencies. Meanwhile, I can show you the code structure. Everything is inside src. These are your wrap routes. This is your main page. This is your layout file, and this is your data. So all you need to do is edit the resume.tsx. You can edit your name, your initials, your URL, everything you can edit from here. You can edit your skills, summary, description, and you can edit your contact information also. So you can put all your links here. Once it's done installing, you can customize it from here. Everything is customizable. Once node modules are installed, the error should go away. Now you can start your project by using npm run that to start development session. This should open up at your localhost 3000. In my case, it's 3001. I'll just open it like this. So this should look something like this. You can change into dark mode and light mode from here. So let's try changing our name. You can go here, change your name to anything. Judy. And you can remove or add the descriptions from here. You can update your image. The speed.png should be in public dot. Yeah, you can just replace this png and it will change the png here. Yeah, I am opened. You can change your skills from here. The skills are let's you can just let's try to remove some skills. Now we only have Postgres, so you can update your links. This is this link. You can update your link. You can update your link from here. YouTube link. This Twitter. You can update every link, and even you can hide or show this. So I'll try to hide this LinkedIn from the it's here, right? I'll just show you once again. See, it's here. So this is how you create a portfolio or use this template for your portfolio. Thank you guys for watching.